Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add members on your shared snap on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your shared story. Now, you can find the three dot icon, tap on it. Then, select the Edit Members option. Now, tap beside the username of the person you want to add. Once you are done, tap on the Save button. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.